Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use the web audio API to create sound. Now the sound which I have generated in this tutorial is extremely hideous. So I'll just play the sound. If you have your volume up, do decrease your volume. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it or not, but anyways I'll just play the tune. So yeah, sorry about that. So here you can see that I can just play the tune, I can stop the tune, and and I can change the frequency as well. So let's see how to do this. So here is my index.html file, and inside that I have taken a container, one button for playing the tune, one for stopping it, one for changing our frequency slider. These are the min max value which I have given, and this is the frequency label. Now I have loaded one TypeScript file as well. You can use JavaScript if you prefer to. And if you see this main.ts file, we are first creating an audio context, then we are using creating variables for our slider, play button, stop button, frequency label. Then I have created one variable for oscillator node. Then on play button, click listener. If the oscillator is not already initialized, we are initializing our oscillator. Then the type, you can play around with this type. There are different types available, and you can mix and match those types as well. And here I'm just updating our frequency label, frequency not label, frequencies of our oscillator, like the value of oscillator's frequency. Then I am calling the connect method, and then I am calling the start method. And here I'm just doing slider.add event listener input, and whenever the slider value changes, we take this inside the frequency and update to the frequency labels text content. And if the oscillator is initialized, then we just change its value as well as soon as you change the slider. And if the stop button is initialized, we add a click listener to that as well. And if the oscillator is already initialized, we stop it, and then we make it again null. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.